Hello, this is Dusty Knuckles and welcome to my channel. Although this is a channel dedicated to lock picking, lock sport, and all of the content providers out there that have kept me company and provided so much content during my hospitalization, surgeries, and rehabilitation. This is not a lock sport or lock picking video. This is simply a video test. I have filmed an introduction and a couple of key videos on my iPhone. The audio and video, in my opinion, is substandard, so I'm checking out some alternatives on my computer, my Kindle, my laptop, and looking for audio and video improvements. This is merely a test, and I may have a series of them linked together or a series of them on the website following. But please bear with me while I try to figure out the best means of audio and video recording, editing, and posting to this YouTube channel. I look forward to getting them uploaded soon in the best possible format and quality. Thank you for tuning in, your time, and your perseverance while I figure out this brand new YouTube experience and the process it involves.